All right, so we got 2 faults. I'm assuming those are going to be the 2 O2 sensors. Yep. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, or as always, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to be working on the Mustang again, and as you guys know, this thing is straight pipe now, and I have a check engine light on because there's no catalytic converters. And today I'm going to try to fix that by installing a couple of these. Now these are basically tiny catalytic converters, if you can see in there. They've got the little things in there, and they're going to kind of make them think that they're catalytic converters. Now, I only run this car catless on the track, all that good stuff, never on the street. So these are for, you know, off-road use only. And so I'm going to be installing these and seeing if that takes my check engine light, because when I'm ripping around the track, I just hate seeing that little check engine light. So pretty much gonna get this thing on some ramps, get under there and put these on. And this car is insanely dirty, you know, all the cats and stuff. I haven't washed this thing in a while, so really need to do that, but that will be later on. For right now, let's get this thing on the ramps, get up under there, start putting these on. Okay, so here we are up under the car. If you could see, it's kind of upside down, but that's the front, this is the oil pan, this is the transmission, and out the back, that's the rear. So I'm on the driver's side. There's the O2 sensor up here. It'll be in this little bracket. You'll just push up on that, pull that out, and you can unplug it. You don't really probably have to unplug it, but I'm just going to do it just out of ease. Just unplug it like that, just makes it super easy. I'll go ahead and pull this out. Now I've got some actual O2 sensor pulleys. I bought this thing off Amazon like forever ago. I think it was like 40 bucks, maybe something like that. And it's helped me out a lot. So you've got these ones, a whole bunch of different kinds. So I'm gonna try one of these. Should work. And see if I can get this guy out. Alright, so as you can see, that's out. Threads in there nice. Then we'll want to make sure all this is nice and tight. And all this is going to do actually let's screw this, and all this is going to do screw onto here, like so. And then you've got a little lock nut here, you'll tighten down. Like so, kind of where you want it. I'll screw this guy in. Do the same thing, just lock it down. Then we'll tighten our O2 sensor back in. All right, and then we'll plug her back in. So now I'll get that other side done and clear that light. And I probably will make an update video on this later, just showing you if the light stayed off. So let's go ahead and pop that one out, get it in, and then we'll see what it does. Okay, so I've got that one in, that's the driver. This is the passenger. I did end up pushing them forward just because they fit back in their mounting points like the wires do. And it just, I don't know, makes it look a little better. So done with that. Now let's get in there, clear out that code, and like I said, I'll do an update in a future video to see if that kept it off or what. So let's go. All right guys, so I am back in the car with my scanner. If you guys want this scanner, I'll leave a link to that in the description below. But like I said, if you've watched this channel before, you've seen me use this thing. It's pretty good. But I've got all that stuff in. The car's just on the on position now, so that's all the lights are going to be blinking and stuff like that. So everything's connected. Let's do diagnostics. Forward. Do automatic. All right, that's our VIN. Confirm. All looks right. So we're going to go ahead and do auto scan. Let it just do everything. All right, so we got 2 faults. I'm assuming those are going to be the 2 O2 sensors. Yep. So these 2 codes are the rear 2, sensor 1 and 2. So that's going to be, you know, your driver and passenger side. We got bank 1, sensor 1, sensor 2, bank 2, sensor 1, sensor 2. So whichever side your bank 1 and 2 is on. I think bank 1 is driver, bank 2 is passenger, all that stuff. So you got that there. So those are them. So we want to clear DTCs. Ignition on and engine off. Yes. So clear it. DTCs have been successfully cleared. Turn off ignition. Wait 5 seconds and turn on the ignition. Alright, so we'll turn everything back on and then read again. Alright, and now we should have no check engine light. So let's go ahead and disconnect from all this. And then we'll start her up. And there we go. Check engine light is gone. Now obviously I don't have my seatbelt on and the brakes still on, so those are the only other 2 lights I got. So I mean that's pretty much it, guys. It's super easy to do. And again, this is just for track use, off-road use only. And I'll leave a link to those in the description below, and I'll leave a link to this scanner too if you want to check that out. But I'll leave a link to these below. If obviously you guys will have to buy 2 if you don't have either cat, but hopefully this will work. Like I said, I will do an update in a later video. Get this thing off the ramps. I'll do an update in a later video of if this completely got rid of my codes or if they come back. Hopefully they never come back. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really hope this was helpful. Hope to help you guys. If you liked this video and it was helpful, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you guys like the content I'm putting out and want to see more. Go check out my Amazon storefront. Got a lot of stuff for this thing, the Tahoe, the truck in the background, if you can see it back there, and really helps out the channel if you guys going to, you know, support that stuff. And go follow me on all my socials. They'll be at the end cards at the end of this video and in the description below. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns about anything I did in this video, as always, leave them down below. I'll answer them to the best of my ability. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. It's Sunday. The Detroit Lions game is on. Want to go catch that. So hope you guys have a great day. Thank you again so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.